The Panasonic CX-350 4K camcorder is designed for what Panasonic is calling the fusion of communication and broadcasting. A compact professional UHD 4K camcorder packed with features that you would expect to find in a full-sized camcorder. The CX-350 features a 1-inch MOS sensor recording in UHD resolution, 3840 by 2160, in the MOV format using a variety of data rates including 400 megabits per second, as well as in HDMI up to 200 megabits per second. The camcorder can also record HD and MOV, in P2 codecs such as AVC long and AVC intra for ENG production, and HD/SD in HT format for legacy productions. You can choose from 8 different gamma settings including HLG, which provides an HDR output in the camera. It also features variable frame rate capability from 1 to 60 fps in UHD and 1 to 120 fps in HD. 2 SD card slots allow for simultaneous, relay, and background recording.